Hey guys, we're going to show you how to make a backup of your Korg PA instrument. First things first, you pop a USB stick into the front slot of your Korg instrument and then press the media button, as you can see here. We then go to the screen and select utility. Make sure that full resource backup is selected and press execute. Now we need to pick that USB stick that we've inserted in the front of the keyboard. There we go. Now we press backup and we need to give that backup file a name. Now this is handy just in case you create multiple backups, and you can give it a name to know which one it is. You can set it by date, month or year depending on how often you back up. We generally will back up our instrument every month, so that's October's backup. So we say OK. Now we press OK again. And now we'll say yes, we are sure. The keyboard will now create a backup onto the USB stick that you've inserted in the keyboard. And once the file bar has reached 100%, you can then take the USB stick out of your keyboard and keep it safe, just in case you need it at any point. There we go, you've created your first backup.